Guys, it's your boy Skinny Kid. Like y'all know me. Say, as you can tell, this is the box of the Jordan breads, but it's not in the gold because I ordered it online. As you can see, right on kicksonfire.com. It's gonna be in the link in the description below. Look, the box. Cause I opened them already. See how the Jordan bread looks like. Look, shape from the inside. It even has carbon fiber. On this shoe, it has the carbon fiber too. There's the bottom. The box, how it looks like. And the box is not gold. That's the only thing I fucking hate about it. Look, box, dope as fuck. Sorry for my language though. I'm sorry about that. Like, got it from Kicks on Fire. All that shit, alright? Yeah, so